mindfulness meditation. For stress reduction and deep relaxation, mindfulness is about taking charge of your life and making each day count. It's about living in the present moment and savoring every little experience that comes your way. It's about breaking free from fear, uncertainty, and negativity. Be true to ourselves and live in alignment with our values and beliefs. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without being disturbed. Allow your body to settle into a position that feels relaxed yet alert, with your spine straight but not rigid. You can close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand, then exhale gently through your mouth. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive more fully in the present moment, letting go of any worries or thoughts about the past or future. Now, bring your attention to the physical sensations in your body. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being supported. Scan through your body slowly from head to toe, observing any areas of tension or tightness. Breathe into those areas, allowing them to soften and relax. Then tune into your breath. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale, and the warmer air leaving your nostrils as you exhale. Don't try to control the breath, just observe its natural rhythm. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to the breath. Now, expand your awareness to any sounds in your environment. Notice them without judgment, letting them come and go like passing clouds. Then notice any thoughts or emotions that arise. Acknowledge them, but don't get caught up in them. Imagine them drifting away like leaves on a stream. Rest in this state of open awareness for a few minutes, not trying to change or control your experience, but simply being present with whatever is arising moment to moment. If your mind wanders, gently come back to the present. Wonderful. Let's continue our mindfulness journey by connecting with nature. This meditation can help you feel grounded, peaceful, and attuned to the wider world around you. If possible, find a quiet spot outdoors where you can comfortably sit or stand. If you can't be outside, you can still do this practice indoors, perhaps near a window with a view of nature, or even just visualizing a beautiful natural setting in your mind's eye. Begin by taking a few deep, cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, then exhale completely through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Now, bring your awareness to your surroundings. If you're outside, feel the ground beneath you. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. Is there a breeze? Is the air warm or cool? Take a moment to listen to the sounds of nature around you. You might hear birds singing, leaves rustling, or insects buzzing. Don't try to identify or label these sounds. Just allow them to wash over you. Next, look around you. Notice the colors and shapes in your environment. See the textures of bark on trees, the delicate petals of flowers, the patterns of light and shadow. Allow your gaze to soften, taking in the whole scene without focusing on any one thing. If you're inside, you can still connect with nature. Visualize a beautiful natural setting, perhaps a forest, a beach, or a mountain vista. Imagine yourself there, using all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, and smell? Now bring your awareness to your breath. Imagine that with each inhale, you are drawing in the energy and vitality of nature. With each exhale, imagine releasing any stress or negativity, letting it be absorbed and neutralized by the earth. Feel your connection to the natural world. Remember that you are part of this web of life, not separate from it. Just as the trees breathe out the oxygen you breathe in, you are interconnected with all living things. Rest in this sense of connection for a few moments. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body and your breath. You can carry this sense of connection with you throughout your day. Whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed, remember your place in the wider web of life. Step outside for a few deep breaths, or simply bring nature to mind. This connection is always available to you. I hope this nature meditation has helped you feel grounded and connected. Remember, mindfulness is a practice you can return to anytime you need to find your center. Now that you've completed the body scan and focused attention on your breath and surroundings, let's move into a loving kindness meditation. This practice helps cultivate feelings of compassion, love, and goodwill towards yourself and others. Begin by bringing to mind someone who you care about deeply, someone who makes you smile. Just by thinking of them, picture them clearly in your mind's eye. Notice how thinking of this person makes you feel in your body and mind. Silently recite these phrases, directing them towards this loved one. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Really allow yourself to feel the intention behind these words. If your mind wanders, gently redirect your attention back to the phrases and the image of your loved one. Now, bring to mind someone you feel neutrally about, perhaps a neighbor or acquaintance you don't know well. Picture them in your mind and silently offer them the same phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Next, bring to mind someone you find challenging or who has caused you difficulty. Know that this person, like you, wishes to be happy and free from suffering. Extend the phrases to them as well, as much as you're able. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Finally, expand your awareness to all beings everywhere. People people, animals, all living creatures. Send out these wishes to all of them. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Sit quietly for a few more moments, resting in this expansive feeling of loving kindness. Then, when you feel ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Remember, this meditation is a practice. Some days it will feel easy, other days more challenging. The key is to approach it with a spirit of openness and self-compassion, not judging yourself for whatever thoughts or emotions arise. I hope this loving kindness meditation has helped open your heart and brought a sense of connection and compassion. Feel free to return to this practice anytime you need a reminder of the fundamental kindness and care that resides within you.